Hey, I'm Manuel Obed, CEO and founder at Gugu Robotics. This behind me is Cybunk 5.1. It's the prototype version of a CNG hybrid vehicle that uses gas and electricity to generate efficiency and drive on complex terrain off-road precisely. And it's also a super air vehicle that drives autonomously even without an onboard driver. So literally it's been piloted or self-driven with its mind of its own. This is just the model and the prototype. Life-size versions of this Cybunk 5.1 that is going to be help in military operations, research and development operations, and also futuristic operations during extraterrestrial planets.
Welcome to the dawn of a new era in off-road technology. Introducing Cybunk 5.1, an advanced rover designed by Gugu Robotics to conquer Earth's most challenging terrains and beyond. With cutting-edge technology, sustainable energy and autonomous capabilities, Cybunk 5.1 redefines what it means to be off-road. At its core, Cybunk 5.1 is powered by a revolutionary CNG hybrid system. Compressed natural gas provides the fuel to power its high-performance engine, while an advanced regenerative system captures energy as the rover moves, continuously recharging its battery. This dual power source ensures that Cybunk 5.1 remains efficient, sustainable, and always ready to push the limits. Autonomy is the future, and Cybunk 5.1 leads the way. Equipped with advanced AI-driven navigation system, this rover can operate unmanned within a 100-kilometer radius, using a combination of lidar, radar, and real-time camera feeds. Cybunk 5.1 maps its environment, detecting obstacles and adjusting its paths on the go. No driver is required, just a pure machine intelligence at work. Sustainability is the key to the future, and Cybunk 5.1 CNG hybrid system is built with that in mind. With a full CNG tank and regenerative energy capture, this rover can travel up to 1,000 kilometers on a single charge. Efficient, clean, and built to go the distance. Cybunk 5.1 is the rover of tomorrow, today. From deserts to dense forests, Cybunk 5.1 4x4 drivetrain and adaptive suspension make it unstoppable. Designed to handle any terrain, this rover excels where others falter. Whether it's rocky mountain paths or deep mud trenches, Cybunk 5.1 remains in full control, offering a smooth, reliable ride no matter the conditions. For those who prefer hands-on control, Cybunk 5.1 offers a secure remote interference. With real-time data, feedback, and easy-to-use controls, operators can pilot the rover from a distance, overseeing navigation diagnostics and terrain analysis, all at the touch of a button. Cybunk 5.1 isn't just a rover, it's the future of off-road technology. With a sustainable power system, unmatched autonomous capabilities, and durability to conquer any terrain, this is the next step in exploration. The future is now, and Cybunk 5.1 is leading the way. To learn more about Cybunk 5.1 and Gugu Robotics, visit us at the link below.